Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a let's bake with me / let's make a homemade latte. I don't know how y'all feel about that, but I'm definitely in the mood, so I thought I would show y'all my homemade recipe. Cookies are definitely not homemade, I will be 100% honest, but we're going to decorate them and things like that. So if you're excited for this video, give it a big old thumbs up, and yeah, let's just hop on into it, shall we? Let's see how this goes. I have y'all sitting up in my cabinet, so it's going so far so good. I dropped the sprinkles, so we're gonna be using, well, I guess I should get into that last because we have to bake the cookies first. So I'm gonna be doing these, and let's see how this is all packaged. Oh, love it. They're pre-packaged into little 24 packs, so that's great. But actually, you know what? What we're gonna do while we wait is we're gonna make a homemade latte, and I'm gonna take y'all along because this recipe is so good that I thought I'd share, but like I cannot share because it's really good and y'all have to try it at home. So yeah, if y'all make it, let me know down below because it's super easy and we're about to get started. You ready? Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is an electric kettle. This is the one I use. Oops. Fill it up about, I usually do it about to a liter just to be sure. Fill this up. That looks like about that full. Pop it on the little warmer. Got all our cookie decoration stuff going, but turn it on. We're going to be getting everything else ready. So you also need a French press, some ground coffee. This is my favorite one from H-E-B. It's the Texas Pecan coffee beans. Make sure it's coarsely grounded for this. You'll need a milk frother. I will link down below where I actually got the French press and the milk frother as like a combo set, so I'll link those down below for y'all. Tablespoon to measure for the coffee and everything else. Need some Torani syrup. My favorite's the French vanilla sugar-free, but I only have the classic hazelnut one right now, which is pretty good, so need those. You'll need a coffee mug. We're like clearly getting, you know, closer to Christmas. So you'll need that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our coffee beans. You hear that noise, that's the kettle in the background. But we're going to take about 2 tablespoons and put it into the French press. So your coffee grounds are now in your French press. And then we're going to take the same tablespoon, and we're going to do 2 tablespoons of the Torani the Torani syrup with into the cup. This acts as like your flavoring, so like your syrup and things like that. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons, or a little more if you like it sweet. So yeah, so that's that. And then the next thing we're gonna do is grab a glass and some milk. And use some milk here. And we're gonna pour about 1 cup. I just kind of eyeball this, but like, and that's about 1 cup or so right there. So then we're gonna, okay, so now our water is boiling. This will shut off when it's done. But when it's done, you kind of want to let it sizzle out, I guess. If that's the word. So we're gonna let it sizzle till it kind of cools down a little bit. That's cool. We're gonna take this. Oops. We're gonna pour it in our French press. I usually fill it up to about 16 ounces or so. That's for a single serving. If you're gonna do like a big cup of coffee, or you have more people you're serving, I would definitely fill it up all the way, and I would add 4, so I'd use 4 to 5 tablespoons of coffee. But yeah, we're just gonna put the top on like that and let it sit for about 4 minutes. So put that on the clock. While that's on the clock, we're gonna take our cup of milk. We're gonna put it in the microwave here. Oh look, we only have 1 minute and 10 seconds or so left for our cookies, so that's good. But we're gonna double task here, so we're going to put this on for 45 seconds. You don't want to cook it over 45 seconds because you don't want to boil it, you just kind of want to warm the milk. So we're going to do that. We got milk warming for our latte, we got the countdown going. We're going to grab our milk, which you need to do this like right away to get it super frothy, which is weird, but we're gonna grab our milk. We're gonna grab our milk frother, and we're gonna froth the milk. You just do this till it doubles in size. Stop that there. I wish y'all could smell, because it smells heavenly in here. It smells like coffee and cookies, and it's just like the best smell. Okay, so we're gonna put this to the side. We need to check on our cookies. Holy moly. Here, and we're going to make our latte so we can start sipping on this yummy stuff. Okay, so I usually say like leave the coffee for like 4 minutes or so, but you can really leave it however you want. The longer you leave it though, the stronger it'll be. So when you're ready to do that, we're gonna just press it down, just gently. You don't use much force just because you don't want the coffee grounds to come up and you don't want to splash yourself with boiling water because that's not fun. So yeah, so once it's down, all good, I'm gonna turn this just a little bit. And we're ready to pour ourselves a cup of joe. Ready? I only fill this up about 3/4 of the way full because you don't want to, I mean, you want to have room for your foam. You don't want it to overflow. So next we're going to take our beautiful foam that we worked on so much, and then we're going to just, whoa, there'll be milk at the bottom, so be careful, but the foam's like the top part. The glass might be hot, so be careful. And I just kind of shake it, but whoa, there's not really like a method to it. Just kind of get it out. You can use a spoon, you can be like me and kind of wing it. Whoa, yep, so. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so I'm feeling a little extra, so we're gonna put some ground cinnamon on top of our latte. This just gives it a little more of a, ooh, festive feel. And there you have it. So that's the latte. Okay, so the cookies are cooling, and then in the meantime, we're gonna take some icing for them. Red, and we got the green, and then we got the white in the container, which will be perfectly fine for what we're doing. Yeah, cookie time, cookie time, cookie time, cookie time. Okay, so here's the final look of the cookies. I think they're looking not too shabby, guys. Like, they could be a lot worse, you know? And so, yeah. So, we're done doing the cookies. We got them over there, and we got our latte right here. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to dive in.